But it's because of this revenge. Let me see. I'm curious. Yeah, they were a wolf in sheep's clothing with bad habits. Okay. All right, I want to see real quick. Why is revenge here for these memories that are showing up that this person doesn't want to be haunted by? Why is revenge here for this? Seven of Swords, because they were being sneaky and deception. They tried to do something here, because that window always pays attention. So this is like B&E to me. People are talking about this, Page of Wands, or it's in the news or media. Or it could be social media.